All right, what is up, everybody? So I am trying to possibly break a little bit of my algorithm curse and do a video every day. So we'll see how long I can last. I mean, I'm gonna run out of content sooner or later, but we'll figure it out. I'm in my Cletus McFarland flannel because it's getting chilly out here, but it still is the weirdest Christmas time I've probably experienced in quite a while. So anyway, the focus of today's video is basically, as the title says, I am getting rid of a bunch of these decals, basically, of sponsors that don't really ever sponsor me and don't even care that I've put their sticker on the car or that I've gotten better or any of that deal. So I am going to get rid of them. So I'm going to use this time to make you a quick little video and show you kind of how I do it. I'm going to get rid of a whole bunch of the kind of clutter, nonsense, whatever on here. So yes, this car was rented by the Drift Games guys, and I originally had reached out to them and asked for a couple t-shirts that I would pay for, and you know, just kind of be able to do like a little bit of an American sponsorship, and I would leave their entire livery on the car during Drift Week 7, which is what I went on. They were on Drift Week 6. They kind of said they're not really doing anything in the USA side of it, so they wouldn't be interested. So I kind of changed up the livery just a little bit, but I left the front and backs in hopes that maybe sometime they would notice. I don't know, maybe that was foolish on me, whatever. So this is not a knock on any of these companies in particular, but yeah, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Yes, I may like their products, but you know, it's kind of a two-way street on this trajectory that I'm going, and so that's where it gets kind of different for me, and I want to change things up. Got a bunch of stickers on here. K&N looks kind of silly on the car. This entire livery down here, the Drift Week, the Drift, kind of everything's going. I'm going to leave Careless. I'm going to leave a few things on the windows. We're going to get rid of Volino. We're going to kind of get rid of the entire Drift Games ethos. Like I said, no, there's no ill, and the same goes for this car. We're going to get rid of Volino. We're going to get rid of Mazda Speed. We're going to get rid of Chase Bays, Rays, Goon Squad, BC Racing. We're getting rid of all of those. We're kind of starting fresh. And support by my standard, like support in my standards, I know that I'm a nobody and I'm up and coming, and so I do like some type of support. Yeah. Anyway, that is what we are doing today. So I'm going to get rid of all the nonsense and hopefully clean up this car. I might even find some different wheels for it and kind of get it back to stock, and we might even get rid of this thing. But that's for another day, another time, another story. But for today, we're going to get all these decals off, and hopefully this helps someone who's trying to do this as well. So, as you can tell, I got all of the decals off. No ill reason, not mad, not sad. I'm kind of sad. I'm a little booty hurt, but it's okay. I'll let my driving do the talking, and I'll make them come to me this time. So, what you'll see when I pick up from this is me taking a little bit of time to detail and take a clay bar to basically the entire car, and mainly concentrating on the spots where I have excess sticker stuff and all of the residue, the outline, and kind of so you can't tell that I had decals on there whatsoever. So you'll get to see me do that right about now. What's up, everybody? So we are here at the following day, and I'm just going to do a quick little wash and basically use the clay bar that I get from Cletus. It's actually Sam's Garage, but I get it from Cletus's website. I'm going to use the clay bar. It is probably one of the best things to use to get off the adhesive, and then to get off a bunch of the excess tire. From when I popped a tire, I got tons of rubber all over the car. And yeah, so it helps get rid of all of this stuff, and then it'll help get rid of, you can still see the outline of the drift on there. You can still see kind of all the outlines from all of this other stuff. So, well, I'm just going to put you out on the stationary and show you that. This stuff smells so good. It smells just amazing. I'm going to use it. It smells so good. Alright, what's up? So if you've stuck around, then I appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. But anyway, let me know what you think. Put in the comments what you think. Think it looks better like this, or with all the other stickers on it. So you might be able to tell a little better in here. You can kind of see in the reflection. I got, I'd say 95% of all of the sticky stuff off. I kind of like it. It's kind of growing on me. I do have the white ones I could put up here and kind of make it all white, or I could do the pink ones in the rear and make it all pink. Either one actually look pretty good on the gray, but I think it kind of cleans it up. It makes it look a little more adultish, and it kind of makes me feel a lot better. So comment below. Do you like it like this? Do you like it with all of the decals on it? And should I put white wheels or pink wheels on it? So please do me that favor and comment, like, even dislike if you want, or comment badly. It will help me in the algorithm. I mean, I'm getting like 40, 20, 30, 40 views a video. So yeah, if you could just please like, comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Even if it's crazy, we'll see if we can make it happen. I mean, I don't know. I'm reaching for straws here, but I appreciate each and every one of you that follows along, that subscribes, that comments, that does anything. Even the ones that just creep and do nothing. I appreciate you. And I promise one day you will regret not liking and subscribing to this channel a lot sooner.